Welcome back to the America Best Appliances channel. We bring you the best info on home appliances. Visit our website at americabestappliances.com for all your appliances needs. Before we get started, please like and subscribe to our channel. Simple washing machine repair tips. Many of us depend on our washing machines to cleanse our clothing tediously. Such devices made life a lot easier and nicer, from washing routine attire to bulkier clothing. Thus, it is reasonable to maintain such equipment working well. To make these devices last longer, frequent washing machine repair makes a big difference. In fact, most of these activities may be done by you or your family directly in a household. Some of the simple but valuable tips regarding repairing or washing in your home are discussed as under. The machine doesn't start. It is the fundamental failure in every washing machine. To correct this issue, one has to look into the matter in two ways. To ensure that it is connected, monitor the power cable behind the washer. The lid switch strike of your front loader might be defective. Close the deck and observe when the component attaches to the machine's part on the door. The top section should be located at the base. When machine fills slowly, it is a very common issue with washing machines. Attempt to clean the intake filters on the water valve if your washer fills poorly or doesn't refill in any way. End up replacing the complete water valve assembly if this does not assist. Drain issues. The device does not empty out if the clothes or the jewelry are trapped in the pump's line or in the pump. Detach the pipe from the bath to the pump and look for the trapped socks. Then pass a coat hanger through the pipe and remove the blocked things from the roof. And the pump is checked and shaken for damaged blades. To ensure it rotates smoothly, spin the pump shaft. If any breakage is detected, remove the pump. Remove the pump. Remove any portions burnt or melted on the straps. A washing machine makes a noise. Among the most unpleasant washing machine issues is when the washer noises during turmoil or spinning sessions. Address this problem quickly, since it might harm the laundry system and generate other difficulties. Try one of the following fixes to reduce noise from your washing machine. The rooms of the bath might be worn down and must be replaced right underneath the bath. If there is a screeching sound comes from the washing machine, the oil may be necessary for the tub covers. The drive belt or pulley of the washer might be burned out. This is a complicated repair, where a major component of the machine needs to be taken apart to reach the engine. The machine cleans inadequately. The trouble with washing machines occurs, and after a while, devices begin to lose performance. One may find that clothes aren't as clean as when the washer was new. The major explanation is the scaling that takes place owing to the water's micro-residue. One must cleanse your device a little more deeply in this case. Using a powerful machine cleanser, all corrosion may be removed without harming the glass and metal components. Hello there. Did our video help with your machine issue? Reply in the comments section, please. Thank you for watching the America Best Appliances channel, and don't forget to subscribe for more content.